Hi guys, I am Hardik of ninth grade and studying in Bharati Vidya Bhavans. Today I am going to share some details about a country called Hong Kong. So let's start. Hong Kong is officially the special administrative region of the People's Republic of China. It is a metropolitan area on the eastern Pearl River Delta in South China. The city of Victoria is the capital of Hong Kong. Hong Kong dollar is the currency of this country. Chinese and English are the official languages of this country, and the national flower of Hong Kong is Bauhinia blackiana, which blooms profusely in the winter. Hong Kong climate is subtropical, tending towards temperate for nearly half the year. During November and December, there are pleasant breezes, plenty of sunshine, and comfortable temperatures. The flag of Hong Kong depicts a white, stylized, five-petal Hong Kong orchid tree or Bauhiana blackiana flower in the center of a Chinese red field. Hong Kong has one of the world's most thriving economies and is a hub for international trade and investment. Hong Kong, which is a cosmopolitan city, weaves Western and Asian influence into a world-class center of business, culture, and trade. Hong Kong culture is a mixture of traditional Han Cantonese ethnic culture of southeastern China and British and Western culture in general. Hong Kongers are being increasingly influenced by the culture of the mainland Chinese. A majority of the population are identified with Chinese folk regions, 49%. Of the remaining population, 21.3% of Hong Kong is Buddhist, 14.2% is Taoist, 11.8% is Christian, and 3.1% identified with other. Small numbers of the population are Hindu, Sikh, and Jewish. Hong Kong is the world's 10th largest exporter. Its main industries are textiles, clothing, tourism, banking, shipping, electronics, plastics, toys, watches, and clocks. It exports goods like electrical machinery and appliances, textiles, apparel, watches and clocks, toys, jewelry, goldsmiths and silversmiths, wares, and other articles of precious or semi-precious materials. Hong Kong is famous for towering skyscrapers. 40% of the territory is made up of country park and nature reserves. Hiking the green trails is a favorite weekend pastime. The government of Hong Kong is composed of three branches. They are executive, the legislature, and the judiciary. The chief executive is the head of the government and serves for a maximum of 2 5-year terms. The State Council, led by the Premier of China, appoints the chief executive after nomination by the election committee, which is composed of 1,200 business community and government leaders. The Legislative Council has 70 members, each serving a 4-year term. Home to more than 7 million people, 260 islands, and more skyscrapers than any other city on the planet. It's also an incredibly easy place to navigate between river cruises, ancient monasteries, quiet fishing villages, and futuristic light shows. The important sightseeing places in Hong Kong are Star Ferry, which is a historical landmark, Temple Street Night Market, Victoria Peak, which is a hill station, a Symphony of Lights, which is a architectural landmark, Manmo Temple, Tiantan Buddha, which is a Buddhist temple, 10,000 Buddhas Monastery, which is also a Buddhist temple, Golden Bohemia Square, which is a park, and Hong Kong Disneyland, etc.